In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up your Exodus wallet to create your own cryptocurrency portfolio and have your own cryptocurrency wallet using Exodus. So today's tutorial, I'm your host Mark Luther. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Exodus wallet. Okay, with tutorial, you can create your portfolio, exchange, a wallet for your digital assets. Of course, the only issue with this wallet is the exchange, so please don't use the exchange because it has a really high fee. That's the first thing I want to disclose. Okay, and I'll teach you how to download it step by step. It has beautiful live charts personalized for you and control your own keys, your own private keys. Okay, and also it's a friendly one-click exchange. You have love your blockchain assets and you have contact us for help. Of course, they have tons of tokens and coins, which is really convenient for storing and diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio. So to download Exodus wallet, all you have to do is go to the download button. You will be redirected to this page. Now here is the Exodus latest release 1.56.0. Of course, here is the Windows version, Mac version, and you have the Linux version. For this video purposes, I will download the Windows 64-bit version. After you click the button, you will have Exodus Windows exe thing, which will download, and all you have to do is wait nearly 10 minutes depending on your internet speed. Once you finish installing, you will get a shortcut version of Exodus wallet on your desktop if you click on once downloaded, okay, as shown in the speed video. And right now all you have to do is click the Exodus. I've put it in a folder by itself called Exodus. I might put it down here, okay, in the desktop, and all I have to do is just click, and I think I missed it. As you can see, welcome to Exodus. Get started by sending assets to your wallet. Restore from backup. So as you can see, you really have a lot of features within Exodus. You have the portfolio, the wallet, exchange. Of course, there's a lot of fees. Okay, I don't know how much is the fee, but you can ask a lot of people. There are a lot of fees. Okay, you have backup, waiting for your first deposit. The step-by-step backup wizard will show once you make a deposit. You have also the settings, which also, for the ERC20 tokens, I think it has to do with something with that. I'm not sure, to be honest, but this is the first time I use Exodus, to be honest. And this is the Ethereum assets, which are the ERC20 tokens. Below can also be added to your Exodus wallet. You can send and receive assets. However, they are not supported by the exchange, okay, in the Exodus exchange. So there's a lot of coins and tokens you can actually look into and store on Exodus. But there's also a lot of problems with Exodus. Another problem is some people, they just got hacked, or I'm not sure. But to be honest, with Exodus, I like the features, but it's not important how the features work. It's important what are the productivity, is it really functional? Okay, and you can change, which is really great. I mean, to be honest, I like these black things, to be honest. I mean, this one just looks like dope, or this one. I mean, I'll take just the blue one anyways. It's just funny. Anyways, as you can see, you can look at the cryptocurrency prices all from one app, all from your wallet, all from your portfolio, and you have the wallet right here. Look how much coins you have. Also, you can add more. Okay, as you can see, if you go back to the settings, you can add more. So how do you use this wallet? All you have to do, if you want to send, you click send, and it's really just simple. Okay, the network fee is not Exodus fee, it's miner fees. So miners get their stake off the game. Okay, they get 6 cents. And you have the balance. Of course, you write, for example, right here 1 Bitcoin, and that's like 8,000. Of course, I don't have 1 Bitcoin, but anyways, here you put the address. For example, I don't have an address at the moment. Okay, for example, but any address will do. Okay, if you want to send to a friend or recipient. Of course, you have the receive address, which you can also copy. You can email this address, you can print this address, copy this address, or even view on blockchain. So this is interesting. You can store BNB on this one, which is interesting. You have other options like Dash, Digibyte, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum itself, and look at the colors, how they change. But importantly, guys, don't look only on the design, look at the productivity. Okay, I mean, the app in and out itself, I really like it. Of course, thank you guys for watching this video. This is how you download Exodus. This is how you use Exodus wallet. This is a wallet tutorial on Exodus in 2018. Okay, on how to use Exodus setup tutorial. Okay, and you can send Ethereum, Bitcoin, exchange them. Okay, which is not recommended. Exchange at like an exchange. You can add other coins or tokens. Okay, which are ERC20 tokens or other things. Okay, from other blockchains, and it shows everything. To be honest, it's really great thing. So thank you guys for watching this video from BitTruth with your host Mark Luther, and see you guys on the next video.